Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how you can get free or very low-cost internet from Xfinity programs, step by step, clear, and easy to follow. Step 1. Understand Xfinity assistance programs. Xfinity offers a program called Internet Essentials for low-income households and also participates in the Affordable Connectivity Program, or ACP, which provides a monthly credit you can apply toward internet service. When combined, these can lead to internet for free or nearly free if you qualify. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. You may qualify if you or someone in your household participates in assistance programs like SNAP, Medicaid, Public Housing Assistance, SSI, or the National School Lunch Program, or if your household income meets the low-income threshold and you live where Xfinity service is available. Step 3. Apply for the Internet Essentials program. Visit the Internet Essentials application page on the Xfinity site or call 1-855-8-INTERNET to start your application. Provide the required proof of eligibility and personal information. Step 4. Apply for the Affordable Connectivity Program, enrollment through the government's National Verifier, and check your eligibility. Once you're approved, you'll get a form or ID to bring back to Xfinity. Step 5. Combine ACP with Internet Essentials. After ACP approval, submit your ACP information to Xfinity. If your plan cost, such as certain Internet Essentials tiers, is equal to or less than the ACP credit, typically up to $30 per month, your service can be effectively free. Step 6. Get connected. Once approved, Xfinity will send your modem or router or schedule installation, activate your service, and start using your internet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.